What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you a demonstration of how well Raspbian works on the Raspberry Pi. Before I start the video, I want to show you a great cell phone service called Republic Wireless, and if you use the link that I have shown you on the screen or the first link in the description, that gives me a couple bucks so I could make more YouTube videos. So they have the Moto X, the Moto G, and the Moto E. Great cell phone service. You could pay $25 per month and you could get unlimited talk, text, and data. With that said, let's start with the video. So with any project that you're going to be working on the Raspberry Pi, whether it's using LED motors or normal simple project, you're probably going to be using Raspbian. That's a Linux Debian distribution renamed to Raspbian because it's better optimized for the Raspberry Pi. So let's show you how well does it actually work. So right now, currently, I'm running on 1 GHz because overclocking the Raspberry Pi is very simple and easy. I have created a video. You could check that out in my channel. So let's see how well it works. So like I said, I'm running at 1 GHz. It's much more responsive than I actually thought before I bought the Raspberry Pi, especially when you're running at 1 GHz. So as you could see, I'm going in the start menu, and if I press something, it opens up very fast. It also depends on your micro SD card. I have a pretty fast 8 GB Samsung micro SD card that's supposed to work really well with the Raspberry Pi. So I'm able to open up windows, and as you could see, I'm able to drag the window without any graphics lag, and it seems very smooth. So if you have to use Raspbian to do your project, you're not going to be very disappointed. But you're going to be disappointed when you're doing any type of web browsing, especially when you have to copy and paste link from LX terminal to, let's say, a web browser like Google Chrome. It's very laggy, but doesn't mean it's unusable. So for any project, you may have to use the internet to copy and paste some codes or copy and paste some terminal commands. That's when you have to use the internet browser. There are several web browser for the Raspberry Pi. One of the most popular one is Motherboard. I recommend using Google Chrome because Google Chrome works much better in my opinion and what I have seen so far, and you will be able to copy and paste commands with almost no problem. So like I said, it works. It's slower than you may think, but it's actually very fast considering that the device cost only $35 plus tax. So besides playing or doing projects, there is also applications such as small mini games, mini Python games that actually run very well on the Raspberry Pi. There is also software that helps you learn programming such as Python, which is the main language used in Raspbian. Overall, it works very well. Raspberry Pi is pretty much the most mainstream and the best way to learn programming and doing small projects that require more hardware. And the Raspberry Pi is great for that. You're gonna see a lot of support, and it just works very well. So for your project, Raspbian will work very well. It may be slower than a normal computer, but you're paying $35. You're going to get what you pay for, and it works very well. That's pretty much all. Thanks for watching.